Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm gonna discuss some of the JavaScript interview questions with you. There are eight important questions, and now I'm gonna start with the first question: what is Node.js and how it is different from Apache or PHP? Easily, in simple words, Node.js is a runtime that lets you run JavaScript outside the browser. It's built on Google's V8 engine, make it fast and efficient. While when it comes to Apache or PHP, it handles requests in multiple threads, which can slow things down. Node.js is a single-threaded and asynchronous, meaning it can handle multiple requests at the same time without waiting for one to finish. So we can conclude that these are slow and this is fast. It is a single threaded while these are multi-threaded. Now let's go to the second question. What is a callback function in Node.js? It is similar to in Java. A callback function is a function passed into another function which runs after an operation completes. Callbacks are important in asynchronous programming to avoid blocking execution. Here, when you see this example, here fs.read file reads a file. When it's run, when it's done, the callback prints the content. So here fs this and this is again calling it. So it is called callback function. Let's move on to the next question. What is package.json in a node.js project? Here, this file contains details about a project, including its dependencies and script. There are many properties, and some of its key properties are project name, project version, dependencies like install packages or script and commands like start node index.js. Example, like you can see this example here. The name project name is my app, and project version is 1.00, and dependencies like the packages we have, it may be install packages, maybe express, and scripts like start node index.js. Next, the fourth question is the differences between require and import. A required helps to load modules synchronously, while this is the syntax for require, while import loads modules asynchronously. It requires like type module and package.json. This is the syntax. Next, the fifth question is what is middleware in express.js? Middleware is a function that runs before sending a response. It can modify requests, log data, or check authentication. While you see this here, it helps logs requests before moving to the next step. Here you can see this. It logs before it moves to the next step. Next, what is a RESTful API? A RESTful API lets clients interact with a server using HTTP methods. You can see that cat you have used cat, maybe it is used to fetch data, while post is to add new data, put is to use to update data, and delete is to remove data. And now let's see an example with express.js. Here you can see that app.get, which helps to fetch data. App.post, it is used to add new data. It is the example of RESTful API. Now next, what is an npm and how do you use it? A npm is a node package manager. It helps to install and manage dependencies in node.js. Here we have three common commands. One is to initialize a project. We use like npm init and this. Now to install a package, npm install package name, so we are installing a package called express. To remove a package, npm uninstall express. Here it is a package name. Since we are uninstalling express, we are using this. And the last question is why should you use hash passwords? Storing, as we know that storing password has plain text is definitely risky. Hashing helps us to convert them into a secure format that can be reversed. Even if someone hacks the database, they can't see the real passwords because of the hash passwords. Here the example of hash password. That's it for today. Thank you. Do like and subscribe. Follow for more.